Hi everybody, I am here to do my junk journal challenge, which is a challenge I've been doing and I'm on number 5. And this challenge is 15 minutes or less, and Johanna gives little prompts and you follow the prompts, and in 15 minutes or less you do this every day, and before you know it you have lots in your journal. So today's challenge is a map. That's all you need, is just a map. And she says put it in your journal and begin with 15 minutes and see how you do. So let's get started. So the map I am going to use is from Disney World at Galaxy's Edge Star Wars, and this is in Hollywood Studios. And the Star Wars Galaxy Edge just opened up maybe a month or two ago, 3 months ago, I'm not quite sure. Anyway, so we went. We're big Star Wars fans. I'm going to use this map in my journal. And this map is a fold-out map. Here is the actual Galaxy Edge. They have a market, which is fabulous there, and all these places to eat, and it's very, very pretty, very fantastical. My sons will get mad because I just said the word pretty in Star Wars in one sentence. So erase that. It's really cool. Star Wars is really cool. Okay, so here we go. I think what I'm going to do is glue this on this edge right here so I can open it like this. So. And then it'll be glued right here. That is the family cat who just jumped and fell. I'm not laughing because, the kitty cat did not get hurt. So I am laughing because the kitty cat's not hurt. But anyways, that's our family cat. And actually he was up here earlier because I had gotten my journal out and he wanted to eat all the, whatever these are, all the trinkets on the journal, and he got mad because I shooed him away. So anyways, okay, so this is glued here. Let me see if it's gonna stay. It still needs a little bit. I might use washi tape here later, but I don't have any right this second. So let's see how this looks. And so there we have it. So I have a little bit more time, and I'm going to add these 2 pictures that I had planned on using. This is from one of the places to eat, the fried Endorian tip-yip. Of course, there's C-3PO. Yeah. So I'm going to put him here. And this here. Let's see how that looks. I think I'm going to put this closer in, so in case I want to write something here or add something there. So let's do this one first. So this was actually from the menu at the market where we ate, and it was, oh my gosh, it was so cool. And here is C-3PO, and he is actually in Endor, and all of the, what are they called? Ewoks looked at him as a god because he was so shiny, and so they ended up worshiping him. So that was pretty cool. How are we doing on time? Okay, we have about 8 minutes left, so that's good. And this looks good here. I will later add washi tape to make sure that stays down. But there you have it. Now for those of you who are following the 15-minute journal challenge, if you hashtag Johanna Cloud, then she can see your work as well. And you can also go over there on Instagram, hashtag 15-minute journal challenge, and see others who have also done these challenges and be inspired. Okay, so this is going to be sort of like a little Star Wars area, and I have some of these that I'm going to do. I have to think about this some more before I add this, but I'm working on some of these colors and seeing how this looks. But I'm not ready to do it yet, so I'm going to leave that for here and just marvel because I actually got my challenge done with time to spare. 6 minutes and 13 seconds, and I'm super happy with it. And I do hope you get inspired or find some neat things to do with your map. And we will see you later. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.